Hello friends, I am Saket Bansal, and in this video I am answering some of the frequently asked questions related to the program called SAFe Program Consultant. Now the first question which comes in people's mind is, what is this? Like, what is the role of SAFe Program Consultant in the context of implementing SAFe? Now the SAFe Program Consultant in my view is one of the critical role in implementing SAFe, and the program which provides you SPC certificate is also called Implementing SAFe. So if you want to implement a SAFe in an organization, you need to get a hold of a professional who understands SAFe, who understands how to manage change, who also understands how to plan a transformation in your organization, and this professional is trained professional who is called SAFe Program Consultant. A person who walks in, talk to the executive, help the executive to set the vision, work with the second level, third level executives, managers, change agents, and create a roadmap which helps them to bring a new way of working using SAFe in their organization. And that is what the SAFe program consultants are expected to do in the organizations. Okay, so this is the role. Now, the second question comes in mind is, what happens in the 4 days of training? So, for the knowledge of everybody else, the SPC programs or SAFe program consultant program, which is also called implementing SAFe programs, involves 4 days of training followed by a certification program. Now the question asked is looking into what happens there. So first thing is, these 4 days of trainings are taken by qualified professionals who are called SPCT, so SAFe program consultant trainer. And the criteria for becoming SPCT is quite stringent. These trainers has an extensive knowledge of SAFe as well as an experience of implementing SAFe in multiple contexts. It's not like somebody knows SAFe and start teaching SAFe program consultant training classes. So you get an access at 4 days of training from an SPCT who would share the knowledge of SAFe as well as knowledge of his own implementation in the 4 days of class. The 4 days of class is divided into 2 segments. One segment is more focused on knowing SAFe from an executive perspective, from a perspective of what is in there, and that is called leading SAFe part of it. And the second segment is focused on, okay, we understand what is there, now how to take this inside the organization. So in a scaled agile context, they call it implementation roadmap. The implementation roadmap is available to all of you. You can go to scaledagileFramework.com and check what is implementation roadmap. In the later part of the training, this implementation roadmap gets explored. The trainer will share his own experience of implementing or using that particular implementation roadmap, and participants along with the trainer will understand how to implement SAFe in the organization. So it's like learning and also learning how to implement it in an organization, and that is what you do in 4 days of class. Now the third question, what I get from Scale Academy once I am SPC? Okay, so it's like you understood the role of SPC, it excited you, you enrolled for a 4 days of program, you gave the exam, and you are certified SAFe program consultant. What next? How Scale Agile supports you? Now the Scale Agile provides you an access to their material, their knowledge base once you are SAFe program consultant. Little bit more detail. Easiest knowledge base to understand is trainings. So as a SAFe program consultant, you are authorized to deliver SAFe training in your context. The Scaled Agile will provide you the material. It will give an access to their own material. You can license it and you can deliver it to your clients. And you can also certify them because you are an authorized person to deliver those particular training. So that's the one thing you get once you become SPC. And many of the SPC candidates are more focused on this training part of it because they see that they can deliver leading SAFe, the product management trainings of SAFe, Scrum Master trainings of SAFe, and various other trainings which are there in the portfolio of Scaled Agile Framework. Now beside this training, you also get an access to various tools, a workshop material which helps you to run the implementation, which helps you to create a transformation roadmap in your own implementation, which helps you to find out the right type of or right combination of people they need to, your client need to put in a given big agile team. So various types of toolkits to help you to find out value streams, toolkit to organize your people in an agile release trains are also provided to you. So it's like you have material ready which will help you to run your implementation, and that as SPC you have an access to that. So that's the answer of your third question. Now fourth one, why this is an expensive program? Okay, see, when we compare cost, we need to have some reference point. Like if I say something is expensive, I think from the context of A versus B. Now in my view, you may not find a reference point for SPC program to compare with. If you are comparing, probably you are comparing the wrong reference point. If you are comparing this with some other 4 days of training or 2 days of training, then it is not just the training. You are not paying this money for 4 days of training. You are paying this money for learning, getting the access to the knowledge base, getting an access to an authority to represent Scaled Agile in your project and implementation. So it is just not 4 days of training. Now many times people start comparing with, okay, it's a train the trainer program. So once I understand it, I start training on this particular context. It is just not the train the trainer program. It's a trainer plus consultant. You are becoming a consultant. You also get an access to running an implementation of SAFe, not only running the educational program of SAFe in your context. Definitely education will be one of the substantial part of your post SPC activities, but it is not the only part of it. So you are getting some different value. So you need to see the price in that particular context. So SPC class will cost you approximately say 2,800 to 3,000 US dollar in India, depending upon the exchange rate you can find out the money, but it's not about the expense or investment you are making. You also need to see what kind of returns you can expect from it. If you end up running even a one SAFe implementation because the Scaled Agile has given you a platform where you can start running an implementation, you might return like 2-3 times of your investment in just one implementation. Okay, final question. So how do I get started with it? Understanding that, okay, I got it. It's a 4 days of training which will help me to become consultant. I will become a change agent. I will understand SAFe and everything. How should I go about it? So easiest thing is enroll to the program and get SPC certified. Now, I take this further. Getting an SPC certificate gives you a platform, gives you an access to Scaled Agile knowledge base. But it's also your capability to exploit that platform. It's not like everybody will be able to take similar amount of value out of it. Now, if you want to maximize your value extraction from this particular platform, you may need to work on various other skills than just knowing SAFe. As I said, SPCs are change agent. You are influencer. So focusing on improving your influential skills, focusing on improving your facilitation skills, coaching skills, knowledge of program management, knowledge of agile at foundation level, knowledge of lean, and all added with an expert knowledge of SAFe as a framework will help you to become a successful SAFe program consultant. So as a starting point, you may get started with the 4 days of class, but at the same time, you also need to create your own roadmap for improving other areas if you see that there is a possibility of improvement in those contexts, because the SPC gives you a good platform to become an enterprise coach. You have the foundation material ready to become an enterprise coach, but you need to act on it. You need to add other skills on top of it. Now, these were some of the questions I wanted to answer today. If you have something more around SPC, drop us an email and we will try to find out some answer for you. Thank you.